Hello children, welcome to my channel Anuradha Online Classes. Today we will play with numbers. So I am going to start playing with numbers chapter number 3 of class 6. Before that I must say subscribe my channel, like my channel and share my channel as much it is possible. And one more thing, please press the bell icon so that you can get the updated videos. Okay, so let us start with playing with numbers. The first term is very important, that is factors. Factors is a term that is very much familiar to you. मतलब आप सब ये word जो है इसके बारे में सुन चुके हैं. What are factors? Now see, if I am multiplying 2 into 3, okay, 2 into 3, what I'll get? I'll get 6, right? तो 6 को हम क्या कहते हैं? 6 is known as product, okay, product of 2 and 3. And what do we call these two numbers? These two numbers are called factors. What? Factors of what? Of 6. 2 and 3 are factors of 6, means with which two numbers we are multiplying, that 2 are the factor of the product of that number. Clear? Let us see one more thing. If I have written 4 into 2, what is the answer? Answer is 8. 8 is what? 8 is the product. 8 is the product of what? 4 and 2. So 4 and 2 are the factors of what? Of what? 8. Right children? I think it is very simple and it is clear to you. Okay, let us come to the next. So this is the meaning of factor, or how you'll find out the factor. Suppose I just asked you one number, 12. I have given you one number. I have given you one number and said, find the product of this number. No, find the factors of this number. So how will you find out? See, now 12. 12 किस की टेबल में आता है? Means which two numbers product is 12? Let us start with 1. Let us start with 1. 1 into what? That we will get 12. 1 into 12. Very good. Then come to the next number. As this is 12 means even number, तो 2 से तो जाएगा ही जाएगा. So 2 into what is equal to 12? What? Yes, 2 6 are 12. Now come to 3. 3 की टेबल में आता है 12. Yes, 3 4s are 12. Right? Now come to 4. 4 though it is written here, so no need to do it again. Why? Because 3 into 4 or 4 into 3. Okay, that will be 12 only. Now come to the next. After 4, what is the next? 4, 5, then 5 से तो नहीं जाएगा. Unit place is 2. 5 से कौन कौन से नंबर डिविजिबल होंगे? 0 and 5 अगर यूनिट प्लेस पे होता है तो. Otherwise, this one. Okay. Now see, 6. 6 कितने सा? Again we come at that place only here also. Same number, so no need to write this. So, here we get the factors. Now see how you will write the factors. Firstly write down 1. Okay. And at last write 12. Okay. Now 1. We have written 1 is the factor. Then comma 2. And what? 3. Then what? 4. Then what? 6. And then what? 12. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Why we are not writing here 6 into 2? Because 2 into 6 or 6 into 2 both are same. 3 into 4 or 4 into 3 both are same. Product of 3 and 4 is 12. So we got how many factors? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 factors. So 12 is having 6 factors. One more important thing, always factor is always less than or equal to the asked number or to the required number. Okay, means 12. Either it is less than 12, either it is less than 12 or equal to. Either it is less than 12, or it is equal to 12. Okay. Now let us come to, so factors I think it is clear. Now come to the second term. One more term I have written here, that is multiple. Multiples. Multiples means what? Multiples means, as you know, tables. Simply multiples क्या होते हैं? Tables of, if I'll ask, okay, tell me the multiples of 2, that means you will read the table of 2. What are the multiples of 3? You will read the multiples of 3. Means number that like if I have asked what are the multiples of 2, so the number into the counting number, like I'll tell you here. It is very, very simple, so keep in mind all these things. Multiples. Okay. Let us write multiples of 4. Multiples of 4. Okay. So 4 की table, like 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, 4 fours are 16, 4 fives are 20 and so on. Multiples may be infinite. Multiples के कुछ features होते हैं. First, multiples are what? That is the product of, or what we can say, number into counting number. Okay, counting number, right? Number means whatever number they have asked. Suppose they have asked multiples of 5. So 5 you will write here, and counting numbers means firstly you do by 1, then do by 2, like this. 5 ones are 5, then 5 twos are 10, then 15, then 20, like this and so on. Okay, so multiples क्या होते हैं? Multiples are the tables. Keep in mind, these are the tables. Okay. One more important thing about multiple is, this is very, very important. Keep in mind, what is the difference between multiples and factors? See, multiples are always greater than the number itself. Okay, see, if I have asked for 4, so 4, one more thing, that it is greater than or equal to, or equal. Okay, or equal. So 4 is equal to 4, then after whatever numbers, whatever multiples are there, all are greater than 4. This is the major difference between these two. What? Factors are equal to the number itself or less than. Factors are equal to that number or less than itself, and multiples are equal to that number or greater than the number itself. Right? This is the main difference. Suppose I am telling about only this number. Okay, so you have to write the factors and multiples. So what are the factors of 4? See, 4 किस की टेबल में आता है? 1 की टेबल में आता है, then 2 की टेबल में आता है और 4 की टेबल में आता है, बस. And multiples, if I'll say, तो 4, then 8, then 12. So children, here I concluded that just now I told you about the multiples and factors of 4, right? What are the factors of 4? Factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4. What? 1, 2 and 4. These are the factors of 4. And what are the multiples of 4? Multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12 and etc. This is still here only, but this can be extended. It is infinite. Multiples are infinite. So let us conclude about factors and multiples. Some features are there of factors and multiples. Let us conclude that. Okay. So let us come to the first point. This is 1 is the factor of every number. 1. 1 is the factor of every number, whatever the number will be. 1 is the factor of that number. Any number is having 1 as its factor. Okay. Second is every number is factor of itself. Is it clear? First is 1 is the factor of every number. Then second is itself. Second is itself. Factor. Every number is factor. Factor of itself. हर एक नंबर अपने खुद का फैक्टर होगा. Suppose 13 I have written a number. तो 13 is the factor of itself. इसके दो ही फैक्टर होते हैं 1 and 13. तो 1 तो फैक्टर होगा ही होगा and 13 is the another factor. So 1 and 13 are the factor. 1 and 13 no. 1 is the factor of every number and of the given number. Of the given number, that given number will be the factor of that number, right? Third is every factor of a number. Every factor of a number. Factor of a number means like A into B is equal to AB. AB is the product and this is the factor and this is the factor, right? So every factor of a number, is an exact divisor of that number. These two will divide this number, right? Let us take an example. I have written 4 into 2 equals to 8. What this statement is saying, every factor of a number means this and this is an exact divisor of that number. These two will exactly divide this number, right? 4 will exactly divide 8. 4 2s are 8 and 2 will exactly divide 8. 2 4s are 8, right? So fourth is what? Number of factors. Number of factors of a given number is infinite. Number of factors. No, number of factors is finite. Number of factors of a given number is finite. Like 8. इसके factors जो होंगे that is finite. हम count कर सकते हैं 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the factors. इसके आगे इसके factors नहीं होंगे. Okay? So, number of factors of a given number is finite. Means countable. That we can count. Next is every multiple of a number. Every multiple of a number is either greater than or equal to that number. Okay, let us see. Like 6 3s are 18. Right? What they are saying, every multiple of the number is greater than or equal to that number. Okay, 6 ki table now. Let us take this one. What are the multiples of 6? 6, 12, then 6 3s are 18, then 6 4s are 24, etc. etc. What you will see, every multiple, this is the multiple, this is the multiple, this is the multiple, this is the multiple. every multiple of a number is greater than. ये जो numbers होंगे means all the multiples are greater than what? 6 or equal to 6. See, the first multiple is equal to 6 and the other multiples are more than 6. Right? So, till 5 points it is clear to you. Now come to the next. So children, the sixth point, the sixth conclusion about these two are number of multiples of a given number is infinite. Suppose I have written 2. Okay, 2 के multiples 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. 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 It will be continued. आप 2 को जिस नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे वो उसका मल्टीपल हो गया. You are doing with 100, you are doing with 1000, you are doing with lakh, you are doing with 10 lakh. मतलब काउंटिंग नंबर्स क्या है? इनफाइनाइट है. Whenever you multiply a given number with a counting number, you will get its multiple. So multiples of a given number is what? Infinite. That is infinite. Now next is every number is a multiple of itself. Like factor, every number is the multiple of itself. Suppose I have written 7. What are the multiples of 7? 7, 14, etc. 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 So 7 is the multiple of 7. Yes, 7 into 1 equals to 7. 7 is the multiple of 7. That means every number is the multiple of itself. So children, let us, one more important thing is there. Let me tell you that. So conclusion is over. One more number is there. Now you'll read about the different types of numbers, but one special number is there that is known as that exact perfect number. What will say? Perfect number. So children, let us come to this number. This is a special number, that is perfect number. Which number we call a perfect number? A number for which sum of all its factors. A number for which sum of all its factors, कि जितने भी factors हैं आप उसका sum जब करेंगे is equal to twice. What? Is equal to twice the number. Is equal to twice that number is called a perfect number. Suppose I have taken one number, that is 28. So let us do its factor. First is what? 1. Then is what? 2. Then 3 के टेबल में no. 4 6 are 24, 4 7 are 28. 6 में नहीं आता, 7 में. Then after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2 कितने जा? 2 14s are. Right? And 4 कितने जा? 4 7s are 28, 2 14s are, and this 28. So these are the factors, right? These are the factors. Now what is said here? See, sum of all its factors. So sum up. 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 14 plus 28. Right? Now add up all. Sum up all. Unit place 8. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 plus 7. 12 plus 7 is 12 plus 7 is 19. 19, 20, 24, 26. 26 के 6. 26 के 6 carry 2, 2, 2, 4 and 5. 56. Now see what we'll get? 56. 56 and what? 28. Just double of 28 is 56. If we double 28, we'll get 56. That only they have said. Sum of all its factors is equal to twice the number. It is twice the number. If we'll multiply by 2, we'll get 56. That means this is a perfect number. Now let us see what is the other perfect number. Suppose I have taken any number till 15. Okay, 15. What are the factors of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Add up. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 15. This is what? 20, 24. 24. Is it double of this? No, this is not a perfect number. Take on any other means like this, you have to find whether that number is a perfect number or not. So we get one perfect number, that is 28. Now let us see 20 is a perfect number or not. 1, 2, then 4, then 5, then 10, then 20. Let's see. 0, 0, 5, 5, 4, 9, 10, 11, 12, get 2, carry 1, 3, 4. No, this is also not a perfect number. So like this you have to find out how you will find out that perfect number, by doing like this. Okay. Okay children. We will now, I just tell you one more question, then after we will see the types of numbers. Okay, now see, I have written one number, that is 16. You have to find the factors. Find factors of 16 and multiples. I asked you find first 5. Okay, first 5 multiples. First 5 multiples, that means first 5. Okay, factors are finite. Okay, means factors of 16, if I have to write, I'll write like this. 1, 2 की टेबल में आता है, then 3 नहीं, 4 4s are 16, so 8 2s are 16, 2 8s are 16 and 16. Okay, now what are the multiples? What they have asked? First 5. First 5 means 16 into 1, 16 into 2, 16 into 3, 16 into 4 and 16 into 5. So 16 1s are 16, 16 2s are 32, 16 3s are 48, 16 4s are 54 and 16 5s are 70. So these are the first 5 multiples of 16. Right? In the first exercise, only these questions are asked. Write all the factors of this and write 5 multiples of the given number. So I think you can do all this. We will discuss about the types of numbers in my next video. So be with me in the next video. Subscribe my channel and like my channel as well as forward share my channel so that सभी बच्चों को इसका फायदा मिल सके. Thank you and have a nice day.